Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your hometown on Facebook. Let's get started with the updated steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile photo located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the pencil icon in the upper right area of your profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Now, tap on the Edit button next to Details to access your personal information. In the Hometown section, you can edit your current hometown by replacing it with a new one. If you don't have a hometown set, you can tap on Add Hometown to input your information. You can also choose who can see your hometown information. By default, it is set to public, but you have the option to adjust the visibility settings. Once you have made your changes, tap on the Save button to update your hometown information on your Facebook profile. And that's it. You have successfully edited your hometown on Facebook. Don't forget to save your changes and adjust the visibility settings to your preference. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in updating your personal information on Facebook. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on social media platforms.